หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA สเต็มมา STEM
Hi, this is week 6 experiment, and this is about the egg in the bottle. So, what we're going to need: a lighter, some tweezers, some paper, and a hard-boiled egg in the glass bottle. So, this is going to be very quick. What we're going to do is light the paper on fire and put it inside the bottle. Then watch what happens when we put the egg on top. So, okay, just check that the paper can fit inside, and let's do it.
สเต็มมา S T Technology E
Wow, the egg's gone through the bottle down into the bottom because of the hot smoke underneath. Wow. Okay, bye.